My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
Hello, and welcome to Fox Gadget. Ready to take your car to the next level without spending a fortune? Today I bring you a selection of car gadgets from AliExpress that are not only useful, but will also make your vehicle feel more modern, practical, and even futuristic. From accessories that make driving easier to tools that save you in a pinch. So, get comfortable because we're getting started. The Pictrey A400 Cam is the co-pilot that never gets distracted. With its 4K Ultra HD resolution and high-aperture f2.0 lens, it captures every detail of the road, from the license plate of the car in front of you to the glare of headlights at night, with stunning clarity. Its intelligent ADAS system acts as a driving assistant, issuing real-time alerts to keep you alert at all times, even warning you if you've been behind the wheel for too long. Thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect the camera to the DDPAI app to instantly view, edit, or share your recordings, add music and filters, and show off your trips on social media. It also automatically detects impacts and records in high definition to protect your vehicle even when you're away. It's priced at $49. When the rain is pouring down and you can barely see the road, Soft 99's Ultra Glaco becomes your best co-pilot. This water repellent creates an ultra-durable fluorine film, 6 times stronger than ordinary products, ensuring clear visibility even in heavy storms. Its lotus leaf effect technology causes droplets to simply slide off the windshield, keeping it clean and free of grease, dirt, or residue. A single use can last up to a full year, resisting even windshield wipers and detergents. Ideal for men who love to drive without worrying about the weather, this small $18 bottle transforms your vision behind the wheel into a safer, clearer, and more professional experience. Imagine getting into your car, placing your phone in the holder, and it automatically adjusts, grips, and starts charging without you having to lift a finger. That's how smart the EOENKK phone holder is, combining futuristic design with absolute convenience. Thanks to its smart infrared sensor, the holder detects your phone and automatically adjusts the arms and base to place it in the perfect charging position. Plus, its 360-degree rotation allows you to position the screen at the ideal angle for browsing without straining your neck. And its dual-motor anti-vibration system ensures that your phone won't move, even on the bumpiest roads. With 15-watt fast wireless charging, you can forget about tangled cables and running out of battery in traffic. Do you want your car to shine like it just left the dealership without relying on plugs or cables everywhere? Lightweight, portable, and ergonomically designed to make polishing almost therapeutic, this dual-action machine achieves a smooth, even finish without damaging the paint. Its brushless motor offers quiet, long-lasting power, while its 2.0 amp-hour lithium batteries give you total freedom. One charges while the other works. Weighing just 1.1 kilograms and with a random orbit of 5 millimeters, it is perfect for both beginners and the most meticulous polishers. In addition, its powerful and stable performance guarantees professional results without effort. All this for $80, an investment that will leave you smiling while your car shines. Keep your car as tidy as your style with this Velcro mesh storage bag. Perfect for securing everything from a fire extinguisher to those tools or bottles that always roll around in the trunk. This practical bag turns chaos into organization. It is made of ultra-resistant double-layer mesh with reinforced edges that withstand daily use without losing their shape. And its high-adhesion Velcro ensures that it stays in place even on the tightest corners. Available in several sizes, it fits in the trunk or on the back of the seat, keeping everything in place and preventing the interior from looking messy. It costs around $5. This gadget takes driving to another level. The EANOP M60S OBD2 isn't just a mirror, it's a smart head that shows you all your car's information in real time, speed, RPM, and more, directly on a shiny chemical glass that looks like something out of a futuristic car. Plus, it's compatible with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can use Siri, Maps, or your favorite apps without any cables. It also has an FM transmitter, so you can connect your music to your car's system without any hassle. All this for $170. Driving in the rain can be challenging. especially when raindrops cover your side mirrors and leave you almost blind. But with this rain protector for rearview mirrors, that's a thing of the past. These little waterproof eyebrows block water and keep your vision clear even in the worst downpours. They are easy to install with adhesive tape, flexible, and fit almost any car model. And for only $3, you'll have an upgrade that your car and your safety will thank you for. And here's another great gadget, the Convex blind spot mirror. This small but powerful accessory gives you a 360-degree field of vision, eliminating those treacherous blind spots that can cause accidents. Its bionic suction cup design keeps it firmly in place, even in rain or wind, and its HD glass gives you a clear image at all times. For just $5, you'll have total visibility and a much safer ride. If you like your car to smell as good as your home, this aroma diffuser will be your new favorite co-pilot. It combines a cool mist humidifier and aromatherapy, creating a relaxing atmosphere while you drive or are stuck in traffic. Its quiet operation keeps you calm, and its cup-shaped design fits perfectly in the cup holder without taking up space. It charges via USB, offers smart Bluetooth control, and allows you to adjust the scent intensity from your cell phone. Plus, it's compatible with essential oils, has an automatic mode, and is made of high-quality aluminum and PP for durability and style. Available in titanium, silver, or gold, this gadget turns any trip into a premium experience for only $32. The Baseus AP02 is not just a simple car vacuum cleaner. It has 4 functions in one: vacuum cleaner, inflator, air pump, and blower, ready for any emergency on wheels. Its 54,000 RPM turbocharged motor and 5,000 Pascal suction power won't leave a single crumb of potato chips on the seats. It also has a washable high-density HEPA filter that traps even the finest particles and is easy to clean. Its ergonomic T-shaped design fits perfectly in your hand, while its compact body makes storage a breeze. Made from heat-resistant materials and built to last, this technological gem keeps your car clean, fresh, and always ready to impress. It is priced at $38. For only $3, this Bluetooth multimedia button turns your car into a smart cockpit at your fingertips. Connect it to your smartphone and control your music. Turn the volume up or down, change songs, take photos, and even activate the voice assistant without touching the screen. Its compact design allows you to place it wherever you want, on the steering wheel, dashboard, or even your keychain, and control everything with a simple touch. Ideal for those who enjoy comfort, safety, and a touch of futuristic technology while driving. Want to say goodbye to tangled cables and enjoy your music with total freedom? The Baseus Bluetooth AUX adapter makes it possible. Turn any car or speaker into a wireless system with CD-quality sound, a stable connection of up to 10 meters, and hands-free calls with a single click. Just plug it in, pair it, and enjoy. Plus, it automatically turns off after a few minutes of inactivity and reconnects on its own when you return. For $15, your car will have a modern touch and a next-level music experience. If you thought inflating a tire was a tedious task, wait until you see Xiaomi's new generation mini air pump. This little beast improves on its predecessor in every way. It inflates 25% faster, now with a mode for electric scooters, a quick connect adapter, and even a brighter light for when your tire decides to give up in the middle of the night. It can inflate 10 tires on a single charge, supports up to 150 pounds per square inch, and its smart system automatically stops inflating when it reaches the perfect pressure. All this in a compact body weighing just 490 grams, ideal for carrying in your backpack, car, or anywhere else. It's like having your own portable gas station for only $49. The Baseus CO2 Pro Series magnetic holder is one of those gadgets that makes you feel like you're piloting a spaceship. Just bring your phone close and boom! It snaps into place and starts charging with its N52 neodymium magnets, which are so powerful that you could hang your phone and an existential question at the same time. It offers fast 15-watt wireless charging with no noise, no vibration, and a firm 1.3 kilograms of support. It also has an ambient light ring that breathes when you turn on the car, giving it a futuristic and elegant touch. Its flexible alloy structure allows you to adjust the angle as you like, without wobbling or tangling. All that for only $17, a magnetic gem ready for your dashboard. Ever wanted to feel like you're in a futuristic movie while driving? With the HUD head-up display GPS, your windshield becomes a smart screen that projects your speed, direction, and even a digital compass, all without taking your eyes off the road. Its brightness automatically adjusts to the ambient light, so you can always see the information clearly, day or night. It also has an overspeed alarm that beeps when you exceed the limit, ideal for avoiding fines and scares. It connects easily via USB, and for only $16, you'll have a speedometer worthy of a car from the future. For those long trips where rear passengers no longer know whether to look out the window or sleep out of boredom, the tablet headrest mount, the hero of entertainment on wheels, is here. Designed with a strong aluminum shaft that keeps your tablet steady even on the craziest roads, this mount prevents annoying bouncing and vibrations. Its 360-degree rotation allows you to adjust the perfect angle, whether for watching movies, reading, or playing games without straining your neck. It is compatible with tablets from 6 to 12.9 inches and phones from 4.5 to 8 inches, so everyone can enjoy it. It is priced at $9. If your old stereo is ready for retirement, this 11.26-inch Pionray Universal is the perfect replacement to give your car a modern look. It is compatible with both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, which means you can connect your phone wirelessly and enjoy music, maps, calls, and apps directly from its huge HD screen. It also features Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, SD card input, a 1080p front camera, and rear view, all in one device. Installation is much easier than traditional 1DIN or 2DIN systems, so forget about the repair shop. You can get it up and running yourself in minutes. It costs $44. When the heat inside your car feels like an oven on wheels, the Seametal dual-head fan comes to the rescue. Its adjustable design with 360-degree multi-directional airflow and 3-speed settings allows you to enjoy a personalized breeze whether you're sitting in the front or back. It is equipped with 5 turbine-style blades that distribute air evenly and a pure copper motor that guarantees power with low noise. Plus, its Type-C power supply makes it easy to connect, and its flexible clip-on design lets you place it wherever you want. It retails for $23. If you're one of those people who carries half their apartment in their car, this seatback organizer will change your life. Made from high-quality PU leather, it combines elegance with durability, and best of all, it's easy to clean. So don't worry about coffee stains or snacks. Its folding table tray gives you the perfect space to hold drinks, eat a quick bite, or even work while you wait. Plus, it has multiple pockets to store everything from your cell phone and magazines to umbrellas, keeping your car tidy. It also acts as a seat protector, preventing wear and tear or annoying shoe marks. It's easy to install and fits almost any vehicle. All that for $24. Imagine starting your car and having the peace of mind of knowing that everything is under control. With the EACE tire pressure alarm, you can monitor the pressure and temperature of your 4 tires in real time from its clear, modern color LCD screen. It's solar-powered, so forget about cables or batteries, and its wireless system alerts you if something is wrong. Low pressure, leakage, overheating, or low battery. Plus, it activates automatically when the car is in motion and is compatible with almost all models on the market. A small but powerful ally for only $35, ideal for keeping you safe without any hassle. If you're someone who falls asleep on every trip or simply want to avoid neck pain after hours on the road, you'll love the CAER headrest pillow. Designed to comfortably support your head and neck, it helps relax your muscles and prevents those annoying bumps against the door when sleep overtakes you. Its high-quality ABS telescopic rod ensures stability and safety, while its adjustable width and 180-degree rotation make it perfect for passengers of any size. In addition, the memory foam adapts to your shape for total comfort, and its removable fabric or leather cover makes cleaning easy. Ideal for those who love naps on the go or simply want to travel more comfortably, all for $25. If washing your car is more of a chore than getting up on a Monday morning, this 360-degree automatic rotating brush kit will change your life. It works with water pressure, no electricity required, making the gears turn on their own to clean as if you had a mini washing robot in your hands. It includes a high-pressure nozzle, a long handle to reach every corner, and is made with durable materials to withstand even the most intense cleaning. Best of all, it's not just for cars, but also for trucks, boats, patios, and garden equipment. Wash, rinse, and shine effortlessly for only $42. If washing the underside of your car seems like an impossible task, the Larcolais pressure cleaner is here to make you feel like a detailing pro without getting your knees dirty. This device combines the power of a pressure washer with a water broom function, allowing you to clean the chassis, road grime, oil, and even fuel residue without having to get under the vehicle. Its design with adjustable nozzles and swivel coupler lets you change the cleaning mode in seconds, whether for a gentle rinse or a deep clean at 4,000 psi. It includes 7 tips with different angles and a 14-inch curved wand to reach the most difficult corners, all for only $44. If you're one of those who prefers prevention over regret, this fuse tester will be your new best friend. With its backlit HD LCD screen, you can read the results even at night or in the brightest sunlight. It measures current with impressive accuracy, ideal for detecting electrical faults in cars or trucks without complications. Its compact and portable design makes it perfect for carrying in the glove compartment, ready for any unexpected event. A reliable, fast, and practical tool for only $16. When it comes to road safety, it's better to be safe than sorry. This kit of 3 LED emergency lights is your best ally if something goes wrong on the road. Each light has a super bright red light visible up to 1 mile away with 360-degree illumination to alert other drivers and keep you safe. They are USB rechargeable and come with a long-lasting lithium battery, as well as a folding hook and neodymium magnet to attach them anywhere in the car. They are waterproof, shockproof, and can even withstand the weight of a 30-ton vehicle. They have 9 SOS flashing modes, perfect not only for roadside emergencies, but also for camping or hiking. All this for $32 and the peace of mind of always being prepared. Tired of your bumper looking like a mosquito graveyard? This insect remover is the ultimate solution. With a single spray, it effortlessly dissolves and removes insects, bird droppings, tree sap, and even tree sap. Its powerful decomposition formula works instantly, leaving the surface clean and shiny without damaging the vehicle's paint. It's fast, safe, and effective. Just spray, wait a few seconds, and say goodbye to that annoying sticky layer. Ideal for keeping your car spotless after every trip. For only $9, you'll have the hero your bumper needed. If you're one of those people who suffers every time a mysterious dent appears on your car, the kind you swear wasn't there yesterday, this dent removal kit will restore your peace of mind and your car's shine. It's an economical and environmentally friendly alternative to repair shops, as it doesn't use paint or chemicals, keeping the vehicle's original paintwork intact. What's more, it's quick and easy to use. You can remove most dents in less than half an hour without dismantling anything. All you need to do is heat the glue stick, apply it to the tab, attach it to the dent, and gently lift. That's it. What do you think? It costs $19. Well, friends, that's it for this tour of some of the coolest gadgets for your car that you can find on AliExpress. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and tell me in the comments which of these gadgets you would like to have in your car. See you in the next video with more incredible inventions.